Hello my friends. Welcome again to Kamukepo channel. In today's video we'll talk about sea turtle rescue story. Sea turtles are important because they play a vital role in maintaining the stability of marine ecosystems. In an ecosystem, the interactions between animals, plants and environmental factors are complex and intimate, and sea turtles are one of the key species that help maintain this balance. One of the most important functions of sea turtles is their role in regulating the growth of marine plants, especially seagrass and coral reefs. Sea turtles, with their diet, regularly consume seagrass or other organisms that can damage coral growth areas. Without this control, seagrass can become overgrown, hindering the growth of other plants and eroding marine habitats. Sea turtles also have a significant impact on marine life by consuming small animals such as jellyfish and other organisms that can damage coral reefs. For example, loggerhead and green turtles often eat jellyfish, helping to control the jellyfish population in the seas. Jellyfish can be harmful to marine ecosystems when they overgrow and take up space from other species. Sea turtles eating jellyfish not only reduces competition in the marine environment, but also helps prevent threats to other species in the food chain. Another factor that makes sea turtle species specific is their ability to participate in the ocean's nutrient cycle. When sea turtles consume smaller organisms and decompose organic matter from these organisms, they help provide nutrients for other organisms in the ecosystem. Sea turtle feces can provide important minerals and nutrients to microorganisms in the water, enriching the resources of the marine habitat. This impact increases the biological richness of the ocean and maintains a healthy habitat for other marine species. Migration is one of the special factors that makes sea turtles a species. And this is also an interesting feature of them. Sea turtles travel thousands of miles during their lifetime, from breeding beaches to hunting areas. This migration not only helps turtles find food and safe breeding habitats, but also has the effect of connecting different marine ecosystems. As turtles migrate, they carry microorganisms and pathogens from one marine area to another, creating an exchange of genes and maintaining the genetic diversity of sea turtle species. This helps them adapt better to environmental changes, while maintaining the stability of sea turtle populations. In addition, sea turtles also play an important role in protecting other animals. Sea turtles eat predators such as sharks, helping to prevent the overgrowth of predators and maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Furthermore, the reproduction of sea turtles also has a positive impact on the living environment. Each breeding season, sea turtles lay thousands of eggs on the beaches. Although only a small fraction of them survive to adulthood, turtle reproduction helps maintain the population and impacts the development of other marine animals. However, despite this important role, sea turtles are facing many threats from humans. Illegal fishing activities, habitat destruction, marine pollution and climate change have caused the number of sea turtles to decline rapidly. These factors not only affect the survival of sea turtles but also affect the balance of the entire marine ecosystem. Therefore, protecting sea turtles is an urgent task to ensure their survival and maintain the stability of the marine ecosystem. Protecting sea turtles not only helps maintain biodiversity but also protects the habitat of many other species that depend on them. Thus, sea turtles are not only iconic animals of the ocean but also an indispensable part in maintaining the balance and biodiversity of marine ecosystems. Their protection and conservation is an important responsibility to ensure the survival and development of marine life in the future. Barnacles attached to turtles are a terrible threat to the health and survival of turtles. These barnacles, with hard shells and irregular shapes, can adhere tightly to the skin, shell and body parts of turtles, forming a thick and heavy covering. As the number of barnacles increases, they can cause discomfort and pain to turtles, reducing their mobility and putting great pressure on their bodies. A thick layer of barnacles not only reduces the swimming speed of turtles but also creates obstacles in their hunting activities. This makes it difficult for turtles to find food, thereby directly affecting their health and survival. Sea turtles are naturally free and flexible animals in the ocean. But when their bodies are attacked by barnacles, they struggle to maintain their ability to swim and perform vital actions. In addition to reducing the turtle's ability to move, oysters can also cause direct damage to the turtle's skin and shell. These wounds, although small, can open the door for bacteria and microorganisms to enter the turtle's body, causing infection. Infections can become serious if not treated promptly, leading to unpredictable complications and can be life-threatening for the turtle. Once the turtle is infected, its body will not be able to maintain good health, weakening its immunity and ability to recover. In some cases, the infected wounds can also spread, affecting the turtle's internal organs, making it difficult for them to breathe or digest, even leading to death. The threat of oysters is not limited to physical effects but also directly affects the turtle's ability to reproduce. During the breeding season, when turtles need to move from deep seas to sandy beaches to lay eggs, barnacles can create a heavy burden, making it more difficult for turtles to move. This can prevent turtles from reaching suitable breeding grounds, disrupting the breeding process and reducing the number of eggs that hatch. Sea turtles can only lay a certain number of eggs each year, so disrupting the breeding season can have a lasting impact on sea turtle populations, threatening the survival of the species. In addition, barnacles can also increase the risk of turtles being preyed upon. Turtles with barnacles attached to their bodies can move more slowly and become easier targets for predators such as sharks or rays. In the wild, agility and the ability to swim quickly are vital factors in helping turtles avoid predator threats. When this ability is reduced, the turtle's chances of survival also become lower. This creates a vicious cycle. Oysters not only affect the health of the turtles, but can also cause great losses to the sea turtle population if not handled promptly. To protect sea turtles from these threats, interventions must be implemented immediately. Efforts to remove oysters from the turtle's body can include rescue programs, monitoring the health of individual turtles, and promptly treating infected wounds. Minimizing the negative impacts of oysters not only helps protect the health of turtles, but also contributes to the conservation of sea turtle populations, thereby maintaining the stability and balance of marine ecosystems. Although oysters are a natural part of the marine environment, when they attach to the turtle's body, they become a serious threat that must be addressed to ensure the future survival of sea turtles. To address the problem of barnacles on turtles and protect the health of this species, we need to implement a series of comprehensive measures, combining direct intervention, habitat protection and raising public awareness. This is a complex issue, requiring coordination between conservation experts, research organizations, authorities and local communities to achieve long-term effectiveness. One of the first and most important measures is to strengthen the monitoring of the health status of individual sea turtles. Conservation organizations can establish regular monitoring programs, using advanced technology such as sensors or devices attached to turtles to track their migration routes, health and condition. These devices can help detect the appearance of barnacles on turtles early, thereby allowing timely intervention to remove them. Experts will use non-invasive methods to remove the barnacles from the turtles, such as using gentle and painless tools that ensure no damage to the turtle's skin and shell. After removing the barnacles, experts will also need to monitor the turtle's recovery to ensure that they do not suffer from complications such as infections or other health problems. In addition to direct intervention, a long-term solution to the threat of barnacles is to protect and restore the turtle's natural habitat. Barnacles often thrive in areas with polluted or disturbed habitats, so it is extremely important to protect coral reefs, seagrass beds, and turtle breeding areas. These areas serve as shelter and breeding grounds for turtles, and they are also home to many other marine life. Protecting the marine environment not only prevents the proliferation of oysters, but also helps maintain biodiversity and ensures that turtles can find safe breeding grounds. Ocean protection programs, pollution reduction, and climate change mitigation can also help limit the proliferation of oysters, thereby protecting sea turtles from this threat. To implement measures to protect the marine environment, we need to increase education and raise public awareness about the importance of protecting sea turtles and marine ecosystems. Publicity campaigns can help communities better understand the negative impacts of oysters on turtles and other marine life, thereby promoting action to protect the ocean and conserve turtles. These campaigns can be carried out through the media, community workshops, and educational activities at schools or environmental organizations. When communities are better informed about the issue, they will be more likely to actively participate in marine conservation, support conservation organizations, and promote more effective environmental protection policies. In addition to protecting habitats, it is necessary to involve authorities and international organizations in developing and enforcing regulations on sea turtle protection. These regulations may include controlling illegal fishing, prohibiting the trade and consumption of turtle products, and promoting scientific research on sea turtles and other marine species. Cooperation between countries in protecting sea turtles, especially those migrating through international waters, will help create a safe and sustainable marine environment for turtles. Another solution is to apply new technologies in the research and protection of sea turtles. For example, studies on oysters and their impacts on turtle health can help develop more effective intervention methods. Scientists can use biotechnology, molecular biology, and sensor technology to remotely monitor turtle health, detect health problems such as infections or barnacles early, and provide timely intervention. These technologies can help conservation organizations monitor and study turtles more effectively, while minimizing the impact of threats to them. Ultimately, to effectively address the problem of barnacles on turtles, we need strong collaboration between conservation organizations, researchers, governments, and local communities. A comprehensive conservation strategy will not only help minimize the impact of barnacles, but also protect sea turtles from other threats. Implementing measures to protect habitats, increasing monitoring, and raising public awareness are important factors to ensure the survival of sea turtles and protect the biodiversity of the ocean in the future. In summary, addressing the problem of barnacles on turtles requires a combination of medical interventions, environmental protection, and community engagement in ocean conservation. When we work together, we can create a safe and sustainable marine environment for turtles and many other marine creatures.